Hi there. Thank you for coming to the cybersecurity training here that I'm hosting. Yesterday, I went with the classes of IP, the different ones, the A, B, and C. Today, I'm going to talk about the subnet mask of them, of all of them. Now, I'm going to use examples as one and zeros. One representing the network, zeros representing the host. We've got. Hold on. We've got the classes of IP and then the subnet mask. If I didn't write so big, I can use the whole screen technically. So you got your class A, your class B, and then your class C there. Figured today I'll put in a good accent for you. Now, one seemed like the one equals. We'll say, hey. It's like, hey, this is the network. So just remember, hey, the network. If you can't read cursive, it means, hey, the network. Two, why did I put two? That's stupid. I guess I get so used to putting like bullet points. Now, zero screams out, I'm the host. So you go, I'm the host. And then technically, if you get, so the A's will technically be, the first octet is all ones. Now, since there's eight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because there's 8 bits per octet. That's a good question. Knowledge base. So the one screams host. So your first octet's the host, and you got host. Your next 3 octets are hosts. Class B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I sound like a cheerleader. For your ones are your hosts, your network, your zeros are your hosts. And then the C's are technically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0. So your zeros represent the host. It says, I'm the host. And then the one says, I'm the network. I'm the network. And then this one set equals 255. It's the same thing as saying 255. 255, you're maximing out. That's your max number that you can have. Technically, you have 256, but one of them's for broadcasting, remember? And then this is also, so this would technically be 255.255.255.0. And this will be your C. Now, for A and B, as you can see, you just use the 255 for the first octet, 255, and you got 0, 0, 0 for the remaining. So ones represent 255, and that's your number of networks you can have. Zeros represents hosts, and the reverse of this, because you can use a reverse subnet mask, which is down the road, but technically it'll be 0.0.0.255. That's the inverse. And there will be a test question that'll give you this and say, okay, how many hosts are on there? The answer is 254. because out of 256, one's the network and one's the broadcast. Or you may have a test question that says, okay, on a network with a subnet mask of 0000255, how many hosts can you have? So technically, these are the same exact thing, and this answer is still 254. Now, when you get into subnetting, and I'll teach you subnetting on another video, because I came up with my way of subnetting, and it turns out to be a lot easier than just guessing and going. Yeah, you can use a total subnetting mask calculator, I think it's called, the subnet mask calculator, and then use that. But technically, this is what a subnet mask consists of: ones and zeros. Ones representing the 255s, and zeros just, and the ones representing the network, zeros representing the hosts, and the default is 255.000 for A, 255.255.00 for B, and so on. Well, hopefully that helps with that. And I'm going to go on to the next segment for the next week. Thank you for calling by. If you like what you saw, hit the like button below and subscribe if you like to keep up with the updates that I'm going to be dishing out every week.